Hello everyone. Today's we are going to discuss a topic that is local anesthetics. Local anesthetics are drugs that when applied directly to the peripheral nervous tissues block nerve conduction and abolish all the sensation in that part supplied by the nerve. They are generally applied to the somatic nerve and capable of cutting on axon, cell body, dendrites, and synapses. Actually, these are used in dentistry, in ophthalmology, in minor surgical operations, including endoscopy, and for relieving pain in certain medical conditions such as tumor growing in the spine. And local anesthetics are also used topically for the temporary relief of pain from insect bites, burns, and other surface wounds. And next one is the most local anesthetic agents are weak bases consisting of lipophilic group connecting by an intermediate chain to the tertiary amino groups. Fine. And next one is the clinically used local anesthetics have minimal local irritant action and block sensory nerve endings, nerve trunks, neuromuscular junctions, ganglionic synapses, and receptors that function through increased net permeability or nerve permeability. Okay. The next point is they are also reduce the release of acetylcholine from motor nerve endings. Actually, sensory and motor fibers are inherently and equally sensitive. Okay, and among the somatic afferent order of blockage is pain, temperature sense, touch, and deep pressure sense. Since pain is generally carried out by smaller diameter fibers, that those carrying other sensations or motor impulses. Okay, actually the vasoconstrictors prolong the action and lower the systematic toxicity of the local anesthetics. Now come to the next point, that is the mode of action of the local anesthetics. Actually local anesthetics drugs which are block both the generation and conduction of the nerve impulses. This is here the uh, structure of that local anesthetic drugs which is used like this. And local anesthetics which are blocked probably results from the biochemical changes caused by the drugs immediately after the nerve impulses had passed. The pores again become smaller and then the sodium ions are pumped out of the fiber. See here, at the same time potassium ions are transported into the fiber, and local anesthetics decreases the permeability of the cell membrane to the sodium, that preventing sodium depolarization. Okay, and clinically available local anesthetics are broadly divided into esters and non-esters. Fine. This is the mechanism of action and the introduction of the local anesthetics. Hope you understand about it. This is a small introduction of the local anesthetics. Thank you so much.